welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. In this episode, we're doing a revive and drive.
What'd you knock off it now?
There's lots of stuff that just fell on the ground.
Flavor seasoning.
Revive and drive on a 1978 is what we'll call it, W100, and it's nice.
Never let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah!
Revive and drive part 1. Got the key on?
Yep.
Well, you don't need to give it anywhere that much.
Holy shit.
That was uneventful.
Let me go get in there. There's no fucking way this thing runs.
I don't have fuel up to it yet. Well, leave the pedal alone. Now it's on fire.
Oh no.
Perfect.
Well, don't burn it down.
If it's on fire, it's fine. It's getting the rest of the mouse crap out of there. Oh, now it's all on fire. Well, I suppose I'll keep cranking it so it sucks it down.
Damn it.
Not using my hat because, well, it's got the thingamajigger in it. Plastic. It turns out when you do that, it melts. I think it's burning your foam here. I'll just get rid of that. Deleted.
Weight reduction. Race truck.
What's burning over there?
Oh, I don't know.
Just trying to fill that fuel. Go inside and pump the pedal.
Now I can touch the pipe.
I was trying to fill the float bowl. Keep it at half throttle.
Okay.
Throw the GoPro off of it.
Here, you want these for safety measures?
Yeah.
In purple. Easy on the starter there, killer.
Pump it. That was an awesome backfire.
Oh, that was a little healthier right at the end. A little smoother.
Okay, knife on you?
No. It's in my other coat. What are you thinking?
Cut that fuel line in front of that whatever fucking boat filter that is.
You gotta... Maybe the boat filter's plugged.
Oh, look at that.
It's so small.
Is that anything you've ever seen?
No, I've never seen that. Oh, just to see if it's pumping fuel. Yeah, penetrating daddy.
There's 50 fucking flathead screwdrivers around here, and you grabbed only Phillips.
I was gonna take the grill off. I know those are Phillips.
Will you listen to this guy, ain't it?
Fucking.
That'll leave a hole. Let me see if there's something to cut with in the cab. Oh, I remember there'd be like a razor blade of some sort.
I just got tools in every vehicle around here. Don't worry, I got a proper tool.
Don't worry, we're cooking with fucking peanut oil now. We got a little paring knife.
Did I speak too soon? Looks like somebody might use this one as a chisel at some point. Fuck it.
What do we figure this thing was? 73?
I don't know. Jeez, oh Pete's. Where's that stabbing knife? See if I can get tetanus.
Yeah.
Holy shit, it's sharp as hell.
It's a paring knife, dude.
It's a little fish cutter.
These little things sure are for like cutting vegetables and shit.
Alright, let's see what's spitting fuel. No.
Negativo.
No fuel. So, yeah. Bring a chunk of hose with you next time. Bring a gas can. A little zip tie for the fender. Pull that transmission dipstick. See if there's no fluid in it. Don't eat. What are you doing? Jesus Christ. You had it like this and you're going to duck towards it. Jesus.
Kids these days.
Small. I know my way around small things. I got short arms. You can reach it. Hey, what are you leaving on the fender? You fucking dented it. Look at that.
What's that smell like?
It's because I shit myself.
I shit myself too. It'll make you feel better.
Hey.
It's pink.
Yeah, it is surprisingly pink. Got a fucking Frampaw filter on her? Hell yeah.
How bad's the
The Earl?
What's it look like on that side? Baffled? The baffled or you see the rocker?
I see the rocker.
Clean?
Cleanish.
Sludge City?
No, it doesn't look like Sludge City. I see metal, it's just brown metal. You know, it's not sludgy, it's just...
Multi-battery isolator.
It's nice.
Oh. Well, we're trying to get it running. And there's not a good way to get the fuel in. There's too much stuff in the way. So we got our stuff remover 10,000. we'll just come across this. Picasso. Oh yeah.
Oh, the paint was good on that side.
I know. It's got a few more beauty cuts to make. Something hard there.
Yeah, you're in a bolt
Oh.
for the jack. Now you're into the other jack.
Jeez, oh Pete.
You gotta go either to your left. Yeah.
Ow. Here, hold it. Get it?
Yeah, damn near. You just have to.
Shoot, Dodge should do that factory. That's much nicer. Perfect. Patch panel
Yeah,
for sale.
$20.
Oh, see, this is much better access.
Feeling generous.
Much better access. Way more gooder. No scratch. Plus, all right, get you guys over to the new fender access hole. We found the original fuel pump, a broken off nipple, so that's why she wouldn't pump fuel.
And the missing gas tank.
Yeah, the missing gas tank. We'll finish getting that on and re-rig our gas tank situation. All right. What we got? You overcomplicating things? We got it running. We're getting our race car gas tank on. We should be ready to rock.
Ready to do something, that's for sure.
Fuel line is pretty long now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a play out of Smokey Unix book.
As long as it makes it up the hill.
Hey, fuel regulations say you can have such a big tank. They don't regulate how long the gas line can be. Not bad, all things considered.
Here, you can do the honor.
Yeah, it's your yard. I'll let you drive. Did pretty good.
Don't run bad when it's got fuel in it.
No, honestly.
Fires right back up. We need to go further up though? Not really, I don't think. Perfect. I can drive it home. Turn signals probably need a little bit of work.
Oh,
They
okay.
don't blink.
Yeah, I'll make sure to get that.
Nice weather.
Golfing weather.
They're running good though.
Nice.
New fuel pump, that's all it needed. I wonder if it's got any coolant. Yeah! Oh, there's an acorn inside the radiator. Dead center. I can't make that up. It's right dead center. This thing's still on.
Should be.
Let's see if I can see it. Ooh. Your phone on you, Mike? Actually, I got my phone on me. Come on. Where's the flashlight portion? I don't know if they can see it or not, though. Acorn. Dead center of the radiator.
It's for saving it for winter.
Well, there was a smart chipmunk, is what it was. This thing was a race truck. Look at it's got a race truck. Freaking cab. It was ready.
Little sweet cooler.
All right.